Per Inside EVs, Mazda has announced plans to build a battery factory in Japan in partnership with Panasonic Energy. The facility will be located in Yamaguchi Prefecture and is expected to produce 10 gigawatt-hours of batteries annually. These batteries will power Mazda's first ground-up electric vehicles, set to debut in 2027. The first model, confirmed as a crossover or SUV, will feature advanced design, extended driving ranges, and improved convenience. Mazda is also exploring solid-state battery technology for future models. A plug-in hybrid version of the crossover may launch after 2028. In addition, Mazda is collaborating with China's Changan Automobile to produce new electric models. The Mazda EZ-6 sedan, based on the Deepal L07, will launch in Europe in August 2024. Another electric SUV, previewed by the Arata concept, is expected by late 2025. Both vehicles will also be sold outside China. Mazda's earlier electric vehicle, the MX-30, struggled in sales. However, the company aims to bring its signature sporty driving experience to its upcoming electric lineup. You are listening to Yuan News.